What's up, guys? I got to tell you about these new LED retrofit turn signals for your late model BMW that the parts guys now have in stock. It's from a company called Weiser, and it allows you to quickly upgrade your incandescent bulb turn signals on your BMW to high output, high reliability LED. Fits late model BMWs and is totally CAN bus friendly, will not throw a code or fault on your dash, and it doesn't require our assistance to reprogram anything on the motorcycle. It's a 5-minute do-it-yourself plug-and-play type install. Really a great product. So we're going to show you how to install it real fast here. Okay? Only tool you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to simply start by taking off the lens of the turn signal. It's a little tiny Phillips screw, so be sure you don't lose that. Okay? We're going to take that guy out and set it aside to reuse it in a moment. Next step, you're going to remove the whole reflector and incandescent bulb assembly and simply disconnect the wires on the back, just like that. Okay? Set that guy aside. Don't throw it away, but you don't need that anymore. Next, you're going to take out the first LED board that you're going to install, and taped behind it's going to be this little pin lock guy that is actually needed to hold the whole turn signal assembly together. We're going to start by following the arrow on there for the direction of insert. Just simply means it goes in that way, and it installs at the base of the stalk that you can actually see inside the triangle housing here. On the back of the board, you've got a positive and a negative hookup. On this GS here, the positive line is this blue wire, and the ground is going to be the brown wire. If you put it together or your wires are different color on your BMW, and you try it and it does not work, simply reverse the wires to get them to get the turn signal to operate. You're going to kind of safely tuck that wire back in there and seat the board right there. I do recommend testing it before you button everything up, just to make sure everything's kosher. Check that out. That is super bright. So we know it works. The installation's going well so far. So you're going to now take your lens and put it back on. Grab your Phillips screwdriver. And we're going to get that Phillips screw set back in there. Kind of got to sandwich everything together, hold it together. And let's test it. Look at that. Now available at the parts department, $85 to do your front set turn signals. Another $85 to do the rear. That's only $170 to improve your lighting and your visibility out on these crazy roads that we have here in Southwest Florida. Give Paul, Adam, or Mike a call at the parts department, pick up a set, and have a fun little project to do this weekend. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend from Gulf Coast Motorcycles.